Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure your iPhone has power and a backup. This protects data if you change Safari state. Open Settings and scroll down to Safari. That's the control hub. Once in Safari settings, glance at Privacy and Security and clear history and website data options. These are the first actionable controls you'll use to remove cached pages, cookies, and history. Make sure to pause and review which sites you'll lose data for before you tap Clear. Once done with the initial step, tap Clear History and website data to purge cache, cookies, and browsing history. That frees space and resolves many loading issues. Next, inspect Privacy and Security settings. Toggle Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and block all cookies depending on your needs. Stricter settings increase privacy, but can break some sites. If you need finer control, go to Advanced Website Data to remove individual site data. This lets you keep logins where necessary, while removing problem entries. Finish by checking Advanced Settings. If you previously enabled experimental features, revert them to defaults to avoid unexpected behavior. Once adjusted, restart Safari, and if problems persist, reboot the iPhone. Make sure to test pages after each change so you can identify the cause. If loading or DNS errors remain, reset network settings as a targeted step. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. If that still fails, restore from the backup you made earlier or contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.